Hello friends, welcome to my Gautam Education channel. Today I present an unique video course for you. This course is 100% free. If you change your life, please see the full video to the end. If you are newcomers to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Let's start the full video.
Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our next lecture on befunky.com, okay, the online app that allows you to create awesome photos for your social media accounts, and not just for your social media, but also for your marketing campaigns, your email marketing campaigns, and so on. We have seen exactly how you can use the photo editor before in previous lectures, but now I wanted to show you guys how you can use the collage maker, which actually it's awesome and it's very easy to use. Okay, it's a great tool that BeFunky offers, and you can create instantly great images, okay, that you can post on your social media accounts or that you can use in different marketing purposes. So if you are on the front page of the befunky.com app, you just go to the collage maker, you click on it, okay, and the app will load. Now you can do different stuff. For example, upload the images that you want. Okay, you just take the images, okay, and put them in their spaces for the collage. Okay, for example, you can select an autofill section, okay, to see exactly how it will look like. You can change anything between them, okay. You can change their spots, as you can see. You can edit their effects, okay. For example, the sizes, okay. You can rotate them, you can flip them if you want to, okay. You can open an image in the image editor if you want to, okay, and apply all the effects that you have seen in the photo editor, and that it's absolutely awesome. Now auto enhance, okay, we are applying the auto enhance, and now we are saving. Okay, cancel. Okay, cancel. Now we are back to the collage maker. So you can do different, you can edit each of the images that you have added to the collage, and that is the most important part. Now exactly how do you edit the collage, okay, to make it look in different shapes, okay, in different forms and stuff like that. You just use the bars, okay, you have here. It's very simple to use, okay, and you can give different types of looks to your collage, okay. You just use the bars, and with your mouse you just click and drag to the left, to the right, okay, upwards, downwards, and it will change the look of your collage. So this is exactly how you add collages, okay, how you add photos and you edit your collage. Now for example, you have different templates from which you can choose for your collage. You have the future, the grid. For example, let's choose the grid, okay, where you have different types and forms that you can use. Obviously, you also have paid forms that you need to upgrade to the pro version to be able to use them. But for example, we can have a look at this one, okay, which absolutely looks awesome. You can edit it, for example, okay, you can edit each of the photos. You can set everything, the spacings, okay, between your photos, okay. For example, now you have like a more fresh look, okay, it's a more clear look, okay, it's not everything so crowded, okay, the elements are more spaced. You can add round corners to your photos, okay. You can do a lot of stuff. You can add even a background color, for example, okay, to your collage, okay. You can do anything that you want to. You also can add different patterns, okay, to your collage, as you can see, for the background. So this is very nice. You can add graphics, Halloween, okay. You can do like a greeting card. Maybe you want to do a greeting card, okay. So this can be awesome to create a greeting card. So this is actually an awesome software, as you can see. And also you can add the text function exactly as you have seen in the photo editor, okay, where you can type whatever you want and choose from different fonts, different sizes, okay, spacing, different spacing between, okay. You can align the text as you want to choose a different color. Okay, choose the opacity, the blend. Okay, the blend effect, it can be more darken. Okay, it can be a hard light. So you can do a lot, you have a lot of features and effects, as you can see. So the collage maker can be awesome, for example, if you want to if you have a business where you are organizing different types of events. Okay, maybe you want to post photos from an event and you don't want to post thousands of photos on which people don't even have the patience to go through. Okay, you make like 2 or 3 collage photos, okay, where you put the most attractive photos from the event, and that's how you market your event. Okay, that's how you get people's attention to that event. And for those of them who want to see more, you maybe create a separated album with photos. So this is a way, this is an example of how you can use the collage. Okay, you can do different types of ads. For example, you can use the collage function to create maybe an image for a Facebook ad, but an image that also promotes an event or something like that, where you need to insert different types of photos that send a message, okay, and underline your activity. So I think this can be very, very helpful. Okay, the collage function of BeFunky can be very helpful, guys. As you have seen, it has a tons of features. I will let you play with it and see for yourself exactly how cool this app is. Now, thank you for your attention, guys. You know already you are awesome, and I will see you in the next lecture. I send you my best wishes. Sorin here. Bye bye till our next lecture. Hello, welcome back to our course and to our lecture. In this lecture I will show you a tool of BeFunky that will help you create different types of images for different purposes. For example, you can create images for event covers, you can create also business cards, you can create images for your social media accounts, you can create practically email headers and so on. You can create various types of images with different shapes, forms, and you can use different templates that BeFunky offers to you to create amazing images that are already proven to have a very good impact because of the templates. So when you are already in the photo editor or in the collage section, you just go on the small icon with BeFunky, you press on it, you select the designer mode, and this is it. We are already in the designer mode. Okay, here in the left part you have the menu and you have the templates first, then you have the project manager, the image manager, the background, design elements, and text. For example, we can start with the templates. If you go to the templates, another window with the menu will open for you. It's like a drop down menu, but it's sideways, and you have, for example, event graphics. You can create invitations, you can create menus. If you have a restaurant or something like that, you can create thank you cards. Then you have the small businesses where you find business cards, letterhead, and other type of images, blogger resources, okay, infographics. For example, you can create stunning infographics. Obviously, if you didn't know already, infographics have a huge impact for your audience. A lot of successful bloggers and a lot of companies are using infographics to send a powerful message, a strong statistics in their marketplace. And obviously infographics are very oftenly shared with other people and have a tendency to go viral. So it can be a good idea, but that it depends on your business to use infographics. Why? Because you can generate virality. Obviously, it would be an even better idea for you to create an infographic that wasn't already made in your marketplace, okay, or a statistic for a certain part of your marketplace that wasn't already researched or has or doesn't have already a infographic similar with yours. So it would be a very good idea to come with something new, and your chances to get that thing viral, that infographic viral, and get massive exposure for your business, even by using social media, it's absolutely huge. It can have a great impact overall into your business. So I strongly recommend you use infographic and also share them on social media, because they can have a great impact. And then we have the special social media images inside the designer mode here on BeFunky. Okay, we have the social media headers for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Etsy, and YouTube, and the social media graphics also for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or Pinterest. Also, we have different blank templates for event graphics, social media, and blog resources. For example, if we go to the social media headers and we select the Facebook section, we can select like a very nice cover photo. For example, maybe if you have like a pastry shop or something like that, you can choose this one, this cover photo, which is with macaroons. Okay, but this is just an example. You can select this template and after that you can edit it, of course. Okay, we have here on practically an overall we have an integrated image. Okay, this is an already created image, but you can select every single part of this image. For example, here we have like a graphic. You can edit this graphic. Okay, you can rotate it, you can make it smaller. Here we have text. Okay, you can choose to edit this text. We also have smaller images here, and now for example we can add different stuff to this template. We can go to the project manager, okay, or to the image manager. Let's see the design elements. We go to the design elements, and here we can choose different things, okay, and different elements that we can integrate in our images. For example, we can choose different types of lines. Okay, we can select something like this. Okay, we can for example go and select a ribbon, maybe if we are the ribbon type, okay, or if it suits to our business. We can select different types of shapes, exactly like we see here. Okay, and we have even badges. Badges are very good for ads. For example, if you create a Facebook ad, maybe you want to promote a special offer with a discount, you can write that discount inside of a badge, maybe a red badge, to get your viewers attention, okay, or something like that. That's an example. We have frames. Okay, we can create I don't know, we have elements for infographics, for weddings. Okay, we have a ton of different elements for social media, for example. Okay, also we have illustrations of various kinds that we can use. So you have a lot of cool elements that you can integrate. And the last part is to add different types of texts to your cover photo, like this one. Then you can edit it. Okay, you can add different effects like font size, okay, font family, spacing, alignment, overlay, opacity, and other very cool effects and features that you have. So overall, it's a very simple to use and very efficient tool, because you already have these templates that you can work on and create your very own professional cover photo images, for example. So that, with that being said, the design section of Befunky, it's also like the previous two other options, the collage maker and the photo editor. It's a very powerful tool that you can use to create stunning images for your social media accounts, and I hope it will be very helpful for you in the future and for your business. Now, thank you guys again for your attention. I won't underline it again. You know already that you are awesome. Thank you for your attention. I send you my best wishes, and I will see you guys in our next lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our next lecture from the course on Facebook marketing. I'm very excited to be here with you because I want to show you in this lecture an app that I absolutely love. It will be very useful in creating your images for social media posts, Twitter posts, Instagram, whatever type of social media channel you use. But I will show you some examples on Facebook ads, because this is what we are mainly talking about in this course. And you will see that you already have some presets that you can use, and that will make your work much easier in creating a perfect ad that you can use and that can be relevant for your niche, and that can get you conversion and very good click-through rates, and obviously very cheap ads. So the app is called Snapyo, exactly as you see here in my browser bar. Okay, I will also maybe add you a text at the end of this lecture with the name of the app. Okay, and it's practically a cloud-based app where you can you create an account for free. Okay, you can use it from any type of browser or from anywhere you are and you have internet, on a computer, on a laptop, wherever you want. And also the nice thing is that all the ads that you create, all the images, the graphics that you create will be saved in this cloud-based app, and you will have access at them at any time to edit them, download them, or do whatever you want with them. So as you can see here, I'm actually logged in my account, so you can create different type of graphics with this app. Okay, as you can see here, this is my dashboard. Here I have my graphics. If I will enter my graphics, it will show the designs that I have already created. For example, I have this one here. Okay, this is an example, it's an older one. And if I will go to the create graphics section, I will have more types of posts, ads, images, designs from which I can select. Okay, standard dimensions that the biggest social media platforms are using. For example, I have social media posts. Okay, if I want to use if I want to create an image that I will use for a post on my social media channels, I will select from here and create a post. As you can see, I have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. This is absolutely awesome. Then I have the ad section for Facebook ad, normal Facebook ad carousel, because you know that you have the images that are coming one after the other in the carousel. Then you have the Twitter, okay, and then you have some standard type of banners, okay, like leaderboard, skyscraper. Also you have for blog, okay, blog featured image, blog normal image, headers for your emails, Twitter or Facebook cover photo. Okay, I will show you now some examples with the Facebook ad, because that is the most important for you, okay, and that is the one that you will probably use this app the most for. So if I will click on the Facebook ad button, okay, I have some options here, and in my opinion you should use these options because they are preset images that are proven to convert. Okay, they have created them specially to be proven to convert, and you can edit them. Obviously you have the option to create your own from scratch, but it will be harder because you have to insert everything. But here you have the option to select a template, okay, that has been already proven to work, and you have a lot of templates here. And also very important, be careful, you know that Facebook has the 20% text rule. Okay, you cannot add more than 20% text in an image of an ad, because otherwise it won't be approved by Facebook. Okay, and these ads are all already created in such a way, okay, in such a manner that they respect this rule of 20% text. So you just have to replace the text with your own, and you're ready to go. Okay, maybe you want to add some more icons, I don't know, graphics to the image, but you're ready to go with the text. And as you can see, you have a lot of templates here. Okay, for example, launch your career, I like this one very much. Okay, the guide to copywriting, boost productivity today, grow your traffic fast, summer deals. Okay, there are more than I've seen the last time I've entered on the app. Okay, for webinars, okay, free webinar today, free PDFs, okay, reports, how to sell online. Okay, so you have different types of images, okay, of templates that you can use. For example, let's select this one, okay, Zero to Hero. So you have an example exactly how you can use the app itself. Okay, we are just waiting a couple of minutes for it, a couple of seconds for it to load. It has been loaded already. Okay, so for example, this one could be for accounting services. Okay, an ad, maybe if you have an accounting firm, this can be an ad for accounting services. Okay, the nice part is that you can edit everything from this ad. For example, you can edit here the text. Okay, you can select your fonts, your dimensions for your fonts, but the dimensions I recommend you to leave them as they are. Okay, the alignment, the text opacity, okay, you can make it to be more transparent if you want to. You can move it as an object backward, okay, or forward on the canvas. Okay, you can select the color. You have a lot of options. You can add effects to your okay, to your background, to your ads, to everything you want. For example, you have a color overlay on this background, you can select the effects. Okay, you can make it more blurry, for example, and so on. You have different types of effects. Okay, coming on to the editing part. Okay, coming again to the editing part. For example, you have this icon. You can select its opacity, okay, text again. You can practically edit everything you see here. Now, if you want to add more things, okay, to this image, for example, a different background, you want to select a different background. If you go to the background section, you will see you also have some templates here. Okay, you have some templates, or if you do not find what you want, you can upload your own stuff. Okay, my media. You just go to my media, you upload an image, and that's it. It's simple as that. Okay, for example, I can select this one here, and you will see it will load in the background. As you can see, it's in the background. Okay, I can select the coffee one. So you have different options. It's a very cool. You also have a very cool app. You also have patterns from which you can select. Okay, as you can see here, different types of patterns that you can use for your images. My recommendation, for example, this ad has blue in it. I wouldn't put blue in it, but you have the other elements that will get your viewers attention, but I wouldn't use blue because it's Facebook color and people can think that that maybe it's an app from Facebook or something like that, and your ad won't be so attractive anymore. Okay, so you have all of this. You have standard color. You can select just a standard color for your background. So you have a lot of things that you can use. Then you have graphics. Okay, you can insert graphics, different type of icons in your image, which can be very useful. Illustrated type of images have been proven to convert very well. Okay, so for example, you have here this small computer. You can select something else. Okay, for example, we can delete this image. Just press the delete button, and we can add something like, okay, 26. This can be a declaration day. Okay, when people have to go to the financial administration, okay, and give their income declarations or something, it can be representative. Okay, it was like a joke, this. So but it's an example. Okay, you can use everything that you want here to create your ad more relevant, okay, for your niche. So use this because these icons can be very useful for you. Okay, it can make your ad much more relevant for your niche. Okay, so you have different types of icons here. You can combine them, use them in different styles. Okay, so this is a very nice feature that the app has and that you can use in your advantage. As you can see, there is a large number of icons that you can use. Okay, you can also upload your own. I will show you on website where you can find icons that you can use for your images. Now you also have shapes. Maybe you want to insert certain shapes like rectangles, okay, triangles, stars, and other things like that, lines of all sorts. So you can add also shape. So as you can see, after that you just save. You press the save button, you save your image. You can share it already. You can connect your Facebook account to Snapio, okay, and you can share already your image if you want to, and then you have the download option. After you save it, it will be saved in your graphics section right here in my graphics. Okay, so nothing will get lost. If you want to reuse it or modify it in the future, you will be able to do that. Now, I hope this was very useful for you guys. This is an app that I highly recommend to you. As you have seen, it's very easy to use. Now, a very good website and platform where you can also find icons that you can use and graphics that you can use in your ad images. It's iconfinder.com. Okay, iconfinder.com. You can see here the address of the website in my browser. Okay, search bar in my browser bar here. And for example, here on Icon Finder, you can search for icons, and you can practically you will see that you can select filters. Okay, you can apply filters because this is a platform where you will find free graphics and also paid graphics. And for example, I will search for computer. I just want you guys to see an example. Okay, and I have, for example, most of them are $1. Okay, but I can select here in the filter menu in the left side. You have a price range. Okay, you have different types of filters, and if I select free, then it will give me all the options I have for what I have been looking. Okay, what I have been searching for computer. I have all the options that are free and that I can use. And you just click on the images, you download them, okay, and then you can upload them in your Snapio account, okay, and use them there, okay, in your ads there. So this is a very good place where you can find a lot of cool icons that you can use in your images. Okay, you can select here, for example, vector. Maybe you want just vector icons or something like that. Icon size, maybe you want bigger icons. Okay, so you can find different types of icons. You just have to select your filters, set your price range for free, or maybe if you want to buy them on premium, and download them and upload them in your account in Snapio, and then use them in your images. Guys, this was all for this lecture. I hope these two platforms will be very useful for you. I highly recommend you Snapio, because as you have seen, you already have some pre-made templates that were proven to convert. Okay, they were proven to get your viewers attention. And also you have here icon finder, where you can find great graphics and icons that you can use in your images. With that being said, these are two very strong tools that you can use to create amazing images for your Facebook ads. I hope they will help you as much as they help me. That was all for this lecture. I will see you guys in the next lecture. I thank you for your attention, and bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture. In this lecture I wanted to share with you guys a tool that I've been using to create a lot of cool images and graphics, and not just for my ads but for my emails and much more. It's called Canva.com. It's a platform, it's a cloud-based software, more than that. So it's a place where you can design your own images, your own graphics. They have a lot of cool templates that you can use, and it's actually very easy to use. It has a very good interface. It's user friendly. You can access it from wherever you want, and from where you have an internet connection. Okay, because you have like an account, okay, which is cloud-based, and everything is saved for you there. So this is my dashboard. Exactly as you can see here, you can create an account very easy, because you can connect with your Facebook account, for example, and after you create an account, you have a dashboard just like the one you see on my screen right now. This is my dashboard, and you can start creating your first design. Okay, you have a create a design here option. As you can see, before this below this header, okay, with the created design options, there are all my graphics that I have created till now. Okay, a lot of them, as you can see. Different types, some for Facebook ads, other for banner ads, other for email, other as email marketing headers, okay, as email headers. So you have a lot of options. So everything will be saved for you exactly as you can see here. You can then enter, you can copy and re-edit, for example, that image. You can edit directly that image, you can delete it, you can do whatever you want. Okay, you also have some informations here. Okay, you can share designs with other people that have Canva accounts. You can learn to design. Okay, you can get design inspiration. So you have a lot of options. Now let's get back to the app itself. You have the create a design option. Maybe, for example, you want to do a Facebook cover, a Facebook post, an Instagram post, whatever you want, presentation. You have different options. If you want to use this platform to create an ad, it's actually very simple. A Facebook ad, you just go to the more button, you just press the button, and all the options will appear for you. Okay, and as you can see here, you have social media posts, documents, blogging, and ebooks. Okay, you can create an ebook cover, for example, if you want to. Marketing materials like flyers, posters, okay, menus, business cards, and so on. Social media and email headers. Maybe you want for an event to create a header or something like that. YouTube channel art. So you have different options. Every single options, or any option that you will select, you will see you have different types of templates that you can after that edit. Okay, after you enter and select that template. For example, we will go to ads. Okay, we have Facebook ads, wide skyscraper, medium rectangle, leaderboard, large rectangle. If we click on the Facebook ad, you will see that the app will load you the template. Okay, and this is practically the editor in Canva. And now in the left part of the screen, in the layout section, this is the first thing that will appear for you. You can select a template that you want to use for your ad. Okay, you will see that you will have like a small icon here, which states free. That means that you can use for free this template. Other type of templates, for example, you have to pay for them, and you have to click on them to see exactly how much you have to pay for them. So you can select your free ones. For example, we can select the wine list. I just want to show you guys an example, and you can now edit the template if you want to. For example, you can edit the text. You can select what type of font you want, what size to be, what color. You also have other options like uppercase, how to align your text, if it should have a certain transparency. Then you have the other text, which you can edit this one too. And then you can edit the background if you want. You can add filters to your background. For example, we can add like a retro filter. This is how it will look like. You have advanced options, for different indicators that you can set them at different values. For example, vignette. The blurry, blurred one to create a more blurred image. And you have different types of options. If you will go, you can flip it, you can crop the image, you can even change the image with the color if you want to. So you have that option too. So you have a lot of options that you can use to create a beautiful background. Also, you can go to the background option and select a different type of background if you want to. You will see here that you have different types of backgrounds. Also, a lot of them are free, like patterns. But you also have paid backgrounds. And most of the time, any element that you will select, it's somewhere around $1. Besides the free stuff, the free graphics. So most of the elements that you will select will be somewhere at $1. The rest of them probably will be for free. Then you can upload your own stuff. For example, as you can see here, I have a lot of things that I've uploaded myself. They will all appear to you in time. They will be saved here, like in a media library. And you can select them and insert them again. For example, if I will click on this icon, this one I found with Icon Finder. And you can make it to be like the background if you want to. But you also have, if you think that you did something wrong and you want to go back, you have the undo option. So it's actually very, very useful and has all the options that maybe standalone software editor software would have. So it's actually very, very complex. Then you can go to the search function, for example, and here you have different graphic elements that you can use, to create your images. For example, you have frames. Maybe you want to use frames. We have talked that headshots, for example, that images in Facebook that use headshots are very, very popular and convert very, very well. And for example, you can select a frame here like this one. And you can upload an image in it with somebody, for example. So you have the frame here. You have the headshot in the frame. So you have different options. Then if you go, let's exit the frame section. If you go to grids, a grid, it's like a collage of photos. You can add photos from different you can add different photos in the same image. Maybe you want to do a grid, a collage, so you have here different templates that you can use. Then if you go to, for example, now they had something special for the Halloween, with graphics for the Halloween. Then you have different illustrations that you can use, different icons, or not just icons, vectors that you can use. So all the time they upload, they update this stuff and they add more stuff that you can use for your images. For example, you can add this globe. It's very nice. Maybe you want to do something like you have like a travel agency and you want to use this in an image for, I don't know, an offer or something like that. So you have different types. You can even search here. You have different cool graphics that you can use for your images. So Canva, it's absolutely stunning in my opinion. Now let's see other options too. You have different shapes, for example, that you can insert. As you can see here, you have lines, different types of lines, dotted, I don't know, dotted, okay, like a graphic, lines, okay, arrows and stuff like that. You have a lot of options. Then you have icons, because we have talked about icons too, that you can insert. Okay, icons are very used in ads and in images, and they convert very well, so I recommend them to you. Okay, and then you have photos too. You have free photos that you can use. You can select paid photos. Okay, you also have charts, for example, different types of charts that you can use. Maybe you want to do a presentation or something like that, or maybe you want to point out something. You just change its name if you want to. Okay, and after that you just press the button download to download the image to your computer, or you can share the image if you want directly to your Facebook. So you can do that too if you want to. So Canva, it's absolutely stunning, guys. I highly recommend it to you. As you have seen, it's very user friendly. It's easy to access. Okay, you can have access to it anywhere, and it absolutely blows your mind with what type of images you can create. I mean, your images will be like made by a professional graphician or something like that. Okay, so you can do stunning ads with Canva. I highly recommend it to you. With that being said, I thank you for your attention, and I will see you guys in the next lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.